Hello, my garden friends. As summer starts to wind down, I don't know about you, but I feel a mix of emotions. Thankful for all the growth and blooms in my garden this year. The petunias, the vinca, my bougainvillea, and now all the beautiful zinnias. They're performing so well for me. However, I'm feeling a bit of exhaustion from the heat as well, and definitely some excitement for the cooler days ahead. Yup, many mixed emotions. Let's face it, summer has definitely been a season of weeds, sunburn, mosquito bites, lots of bugs, but miracles too. After all, I was just recently married. That was definitely an act and a plan of God. And now we're standing at the edge of a new season again. Autumn and all the beauty and peace it brings. For me, gardening is one of the clearest pictures of how God works in our lives. When we plant something, we do our part. We water, we weed, we wait. But it's God who brings the growth. We don't always see it happening, and it doesn't always happen on our timeline. But something is always happening beneath the surface. And let's be honest, not every day in the garden is fun. Some days the sun feels like it's trying to roast us alive. The weeds seem to double overnight, and the tomatoes take their sweet time. And sometimes, despite all our efforts, something just doesn't grow. That happens. I can't tell you how many plants I just ended up pulling out because they didn't work. And let's not even talk about the bugs. Oh man, those have definitely taken up residence in my garden as of late. Does that all sound familiar? Well, sometimes life feels like that too. But even on the hard days, God is there. He's the master gardener, gently tending to us, pruning what we no longer need, strengthening our roots, and preparing us to bloom again in a new season. As our summer gardening season comes to an end, we may feel a little tired, but we should also be proud of how far we've come. And remember, autumn invites us to slow down a bit, just to take a breath and relax, and to look back at what's grown, but also to prepare us for what's next. While it's a season of harvest, yes, but also a season of rest. And even if your garden or perhaps your life this year didn't turn out exactly how you planned, it's okay. God is still working. He hasn't stopped cultivating good things in us. So, my garden friends, let's finish summer strong, even if we're running a little low on energy and we have too many bugs in our gardens. Let's step into autumn with open hearts and hopeful spirits, trusting that God will continue to grow something beautiful in each and every one of us, and our gardens too, because that's what He does. And finally, to all of you who've been watching my videos, I just want to say a special thank you, whether you've been here from the very beginning or you just stumbled upon one of my videos while scrolling through YouTube. Your time, support, and kind words mean more than you know. It's been such a joy to grow together. You're not just viewers, you're part of this little community that we're building together, one seed, one season, and one story at a time.